So as a content creator, yeah, you have to talk to a lot of people. You got to get a lot of varying opinions, right? That's the best way to, formulate different ideas. Hear what other people have to say. By the way, big shout out to Austin Hilton. If you're not familiar with him, he's a big content creator. He actually gave me these, so appreciate it, Austin. Awesome, Austin. There you go. But so I've talked with several different people about what the market is doing right now and about whether we're done dropping, right? If we're done seeing any downside, if we're going to start to kind of go up from here. And it's been kind of a complex question, right? We know that there's a lot of things going on in the market right now, whether that be the current macroeconomic factors that we see, inflation, interest rates, all those sorts of things, the war, right? And there's things outside of that we're seeing as well, right? Now with this whole FTX thing going on, and you know, it's a tough, right? It's tough to really kind of gauge where we are in the market as a whole. I think there's still a lot of fear out there. There's still a lot of thought that there might be some downside. I tend to stay a little bit more on the positive side, right? I can see maybe some pullback going on still further. Some people see Bitcoin dropping down to like 10, 11, 12, $13,000, somewhere in that range. I don't know if we go quite that low, but there are tons of factors obviously that are playing kind of an impact on the market. And again, depending on who you ask, there's going to be there's going to be opinions on all sides of things. So I want to just make something clear to you guys, right? What's happening right now isn't really going to have an effect long term on crypto. And what I mean by that is we've gone through bear market cycles before. Yes, each one is different, right? Each one has their own set of circumstances, different things going on. Obviously, right now, we've never been through something as bad as inflation and interest rates, and again, all those factors that are playing a toll on crypto right now. But I look to the future. I look to the upside potential that will be coming in years, right? Because crypto adoption isn't slowing down, right? If anything, it's ramping up. These are when a lot of companies are diving in. There's still institutional investors that are still to come to crypto. That's why you see all these partnerships that are happening in these downtimes, right? When it's all happening under the radar and you may not be paying attention because we're distracted by, again, these factors that are at play. So what I want to advise you guys, okay, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice or anything like that, but make sure you're doing your research. Make sure you have your long-term goal and vision in mind, right? Because if you can pay attention, if you can notice that these things are going on, and that crypto is going to have a big place in in the world in the future, which it seems like it's going to, these may be the times to do yourself a favor and accumulate. Now, again, this is not financial advice, right? These are the things that I'm doing during these times. I'm taking advantage of these low prices, right? Because if you had looked a year ago, I mean, these are huge discounts compared to the prices then. I remember when I got into crypto, it would have been early last year. Yeah, about a year and a half I've been in crypto now. And I was still buying all the way up through the heights of the bull market cycle. So I have holdings just like you guys that I'm way down on that my wife doesn't know about. She's in the bathroom, don't tell her. But that, again, I just look at the positive upside potential for the future. I'm so much more long term, long gold, long visioned when it comes to these sorts of things. And I think that's the way that we all should be. I think we all get a little bit distracted with the short term stuff going on, but that's just the way it is. That's the way that human mentality and emotion is. So that's all we've got for you guys in this video. Hopefully, again, we don't see too much more downside, but again, there's still a lot of factors at play, but we'll see how things go. At least we know that some things are starting to get better. So as always, appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one.